This is our colon hydrotherapy room, and this is the equipment that we use. Every client that does have a colon hydrotherapy treatment, we have these disposable speculums. And again, the idea behind the colon hydrotherapy in part is that we want to assist the body to remove toxins that are being eliminated from the cells as easily and quickly as possible, so that the person doesn't go through a bit of what's called a healing crisis when toxins are coming out of the body and the person starts to feel sick. Let's get those toxins out as quickly as possible. Toxins usually are coming out of cells into that lymphatic fluid, into the blood, or drain from lymph back into the blood. The liver has to deal with that. Toxins go through the liver, filtered out, gallbladder, into the intestines. We want to get the toxins out through the colon as quickly as possible, otherwise they may be reabsorbed back into the system again. So this is a very sophisticated unit with a full filtration system for all of the water, which is then would be passing through one of the tubes into a speculum, which is inserted into the rectal area. Very, very gently, very low pressure, just the right low pressure, just the right temperature. When the person feels the urge to evacuate, then the valve is opened up and passes through this glass tube, which would be illuminated, so the therapist can give a little bit of idea if they see any kind of undigested food or mucus or whatever it might be. So not only can it be a tool to help the body to detoxify, but in some ways you can get some feedback about digestive system and possibly maybe little worms that might be passing through, just to get a little bit more information through this therapy. So it is a unit that is very new. The time on the machine for therapy is about 40 to 50 minutes, somewhere in there. We finish off giving the person a particular soil bacteria to help recolonize or improve the colonization of good bacterial flora, and then the person is either given at the time, inserted in the rectum, and they take it home, an organic coffee suppository, which will help the liver's vessels to kind of open up again, opening pathways of detoxification. Very simple process. People are familiar with enemas and coffee enemas, but this is one level of more sophistication.